This is a demonstration on how to set up the credit card payments for the metering of electricity using either your Coinbox or a standalone product. As you can see here, there are 4 buttons. The bottom button is for the mode, and when you press that, you see on the LCD that there is a unique machine ID. We use the 999999. It's just simply a test machine ID that we use, and your particular box will have its own ID, which you log onto our website and add it to your account. So once you press the 4th button on the bottom left, we can see that the timer is in the unit is in electric timer mode. And as you press it again, S4, you see that you can set the hours of how much you want to charge. Next is setting the minutes, and then finally the seconds. It's very self-explanatory. And here is to set the alarm in seconds. So before the timer expires, you want to warn your customer. Let's say they're taking a shower or used in some sort of shower facility. So you can set that by pressing S1 and S2, which are the top buttons. So here we're going to say, warn the customer within 25 seconds before the time expires and the water will shut off. S3 to save it. And then that's saved. And then you can go through the modes again. There you see it, we saved it at 25. And here you select the coin type. You can you traverse through the options. There's Canadian loonie, Canadian toonie, or US quarter. And so we're going to stick to the US quarter, and we're going to move on. Here we go. This is the quick start. So this means that the first quarter that somebody puts in, 01, it will activate the device, and that's called the quick start mode. If you increment it and you, let's say, make it 02 or 03, after the third coin drop, then the timer will start. Hence, we call it a delay start. So for this demonstration, we're going to leave it at 01, which is the quick start. And the final setting is to, if you had messed something up, you want to go back to factory defaults, you simply press S3, and it would return you to the factory defaults. Timer mode. See that? Let's say we set this to 10. And we hit save, S3. And you notice that it is 25 cents for 10 minutes. And there you have the settings for the electric timer.